So this is what I'm doing for right now with my big ones, because it's like 75 to 80 in here. They're kind of spooked because I just moved everybody, but it made a lot of room in here, which we are shortly going to need. So, of course, everybody's agitated right now. And then later today, I'm going to clean out this brooder. So, but I bought enough stuff. I'll probably have to get some more sand. If you notice, I put all my big ones in here and bought enough stuff that they should be good for a little bit. And that's not that they're cold, they're just scared. I literally just moved them. So, and what I was trying to do is, it's kind of hard to tell their age, but any of these babies that are bigger, I just kind of pulled out. And I figure by next week, I'll probably have to start a third brooder, and I'll take everybody who's feathered. But this is, I think it's January 18th. And we're starting to have some growing pains with all these babies. They're all for sale. Well, not all of them. Don't let me lie. Because I'm really trying to get out. I need my silver lace. I think I need to replace all my hens because my hen I bought, the hens I bought, I think I got, somebody took advantage of me because they're not laying at all, even though everybody else is. So, but there's a video for today and what we're doing at Chickens for Chicks. Oh, and today we set, in the evening we set all of those eggs.